Hi guys, another quick and easy breakfast. It's salted mackerel with dumplings. So, how I do the salted mackerel is I cut up some tomatoes and onions, bell peppers, saute the seasonings, fresh seasoning, and I boil the salted mackerel. After I boil it, then I pick it in little pieces like that. I pick it up in pieces. So here you have the tomato and the onions in the pot, and it is seasoning and gathering its flavor. You see the color is changing. Yes, it's going with this thing. So after all that, no, we're going to cook it down. So when you're done cooking it down, you add that salted mackerel. The salted mackerel, I boiled it twice because I don't need the salt. So I boiled it twice. If I could boil it another time, I, I could, so, but I just did twice this time. So I would add it to this, which is the tomato. You see the tomato getting soft and the bell pepper and the onions. You see, that's how you want it. You want it to get soft and the color is changing. And we're making gravy. Yes, we are. I add the mackerel to it now. This is the salted mackerel, guys. Yes, you see? It cooked down, the tomato cooked down, the bell pepper cooked down. Yes. So that's just an easy breakfast. It's for myself, because the babies can't eat it because bones are in it. Yes, and this is the dumpling I need to top and stuff. Make sure to check your flour, guys. It must be all purpose. This I use flour, which is all purpose, and I boil the water first. You make the water boil and the bubbling. Then I put it in there. Look there. Hey, I drop it in there. And guess what? It's going to come up to the top. When it starts coming up to the top, that's when you know dumpling ready. Just let it go and boil like a bit. Yes. And I added bananas to it. So I had boiled dumpling, boiled banana with salted mackerel for breakfast. And for my babies, my grandbabies, I made sausages. Yeah, I just made sausages for them with watermelon and bread for their breakfast because they can't eat those bony mackerel. The watermelon is good for the summer, help with their dehydration and so on. So that was my quick Saturday breakfast just for me. That's it. Yeah, my kind of thing short, like a bit. Well, if you like this, just subscribe now, please. And thank you for watching. Thank you. We're just a start, so support the team. All right. Peace and love, everyone. And I am Jamaican, but I live in America. I was raised here, but so my cooking is mixed with America and Jamaican. I am not. Oh, you say I'm not fully authentic because I'm gonna have my American style and my Jamaican. So that's why I don't cook like my mom. That's why I try to share my mom's cooking.